Welcome. I'm Elinor Silverstein, and today I'm here with Nissa Lee. She's going to be teaching at our upcoming Feldenkrais Guild of North America Conference 2025, and she's going to be teaching one of the morning awareness through movement lessons. And the title of her workshop is Embodied Balance, Finding Freedom in a High-Tech Heavy World. Nissa, I love the title Tech Heavy. Can you talk to us about how this is going to be involved with your, not your workshop, but your ATM class?
Absolutely. So it's a pleasure to be here, and I'm excited to introduce or just present the ATM lesson number 68 with rolling the fist. I find that with my work with a lot of people, most people are now in front of technology quite often, even if they're not desk workers. And so I wanted to start with a gentle ATM that really starts from within, as Feldenkrais lessons do, in a very simple way, and grows outward. And of course, we're going to be involving the fist, but it's a very holistic lesson that it uses a coordinated movement of the hands and the arms, ribs, and shoulders. Of course, the breath too. And so I'm very excited to be able to present something that could help people on a global scale, as we're all finding ourselves in this generation of technology. And yeah, I'm excited to bring that to the table.
Thank you so much. And what a title of Tech Heavy. It works perfectly. I'm looking forward to your class. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.